Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome back, mechanics and enthusiasts alike. It's time to pick up where we left off in our journey towards optimal vehicle performance. In part 1, we laid the groundwork for throttle valve cable adjustment, and now, it's time to dive deeper into the nitty-gritty details. Get ready to fine-tune with precision and finesse as we explore the next steps in this essential maintenance process. So, without further ado, let's rev up our engines and jump right in. Step-by-step guide to adjusting the throttle valve cable. Adjusting the throttle valve cable is an important task in maintaining the proper function of your vehicle. Here's a step-by-step guide that will help you locate the throttle valve cable, go through the adjustment process, and fine-tune the adjustment. Locating the throttle valve cable. Locating the throttle valve cable in your vehicle is the first step in the adjustment process. The throttle valve cable is typically found near the throttle body or carburetor, depending on the type of engine your vehicle has. Look for a cable that connects the throttle linkage to the transmission. Adjustment process. To adjust the throttle valve cable, start by locating the adjustment nut or bolt on the cable. Loosen the locking mechanism and adjust the cable to the correct tension. This adjustment is crucial for ensuring proper transmission shifting and the overall performance of your vehicle. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the correct adjustment specifications. Fine-tuning the adjustment. After making the initial adjustment, it's essential to fine-tune the throttle valve cable for optimal performance. Test drive your vehicle to check how the transmission shifts and responds. If necessary, make small adjustments to the cable to achieve smooth and precise shifting. Fine-tuning the throttle valve cable ensures that your vehicle operates at its best. Adjusting the throttle valve cable may sound daunting, but following this step-by-step guide can help you maintain your vehicle's performance and efficiency. By locating the cable, going through the adjustment process, and fine-tuning it, you can ensure that your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Testing the adjustment. Now that you have adjusted the throttle valve cable, it is crucial to test the adjustments to ensure everything is functioning correctly. On-road testing and off-road testing are both essential steps in this process to guarantee optimal performance and safety of your vehicle. On-road testing. When performing on-road testing, start by taking your vehicle for a drive in normal road conditions. Pay close attention to how the vehicle accelerates and shifts gears. Ensure that there are no delays in acceleration or rough gear transitions. Listen for any unusual noises or vibrations that may indicate issues with the throttle valve cable adjustment. During on-road testing, make sure to vary your speed and acceleration to get a comprehensive feel for how the adjustments are affecting the performance of your vehicle. If you notice any irregularities or performance issues, it may be necessary to revisit the throttle valve cable adjustment to make the necessary changes. Off-road testing. Off-road testing is just as important as on-road testing, especially if you regularly use your vehicle for off-road adventures. Take your vehicle off the beaten path and test how it responds to different terrains and driving conditions. Pay attention to how the throttle valve cable adjustment impacts the vehicle's ability to climb hills, navigate rough terrain, and maintain speed on uneven surfaces. During off-road testing, assess the vehicle's overall performance and responsiveness. Ensure that the adjustments made to the throttle valve cable are enhancing the vehicle's off-road capabilities rather than hindering them. If you encounter any challenges or notice decreased performance, adjustments may be needed to optimize the throttle valve cable settings. Testing the adjustment of the throttle valve cable through on-road and off-road testing is a critical step in ensuring that your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. By carefully evaluating the performance of your vehicle in various driving conditions, you can identify any issues with the adjustment and make necessary corrections to enhance overall performance and driving experience. Tips for maintenance and longevity. Taking care of your throttle valve cable is essential to ensure its longevity and smooth performance. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Here are some tips to help you maintain your throttle valve cable. Regular inspection. Regularly inspecting your throttle valve cable is crucial to catch any issues early on and prevent more significant problems down the line. Look for signs of wear or damage on the cable itself, such as fraying or kinks. Check the connections and mounting points to ensure everything is secure. Inspecting your throttle valve cable regularly can help you identify any potential issues before they escalate. Preventive maintenance. In addition to regular inspections, preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity of your throttle valve cable. Keep the cable clean and free of debris that could cause it to stick or malfunction. Lubricate the cable periodically to prevent it from getting stiff or rusty. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance intervals to keep your throttle valve cable in top condition. By following these simple tips for maintenance and longevity, you can keep your throttle valve cable in optimal working condition and prolong its lifespan. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance are easy ways to prevent problems and ensure smooth operation for your vehicle. In the end, adjusting the throttle valve cable is a crucial step in maintaining optimal performance and efficiency in your vehicle. By ensuring the correct tension and alignment, you can prevent issues such as transmission slipping and rough shifting. Remember to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for your specific vehicle make and model to achieve the best results. Regular maintenance of the throttle valve cable will help prolong the lifespan of your transmission and keep your car running smoothly for miles to come. Stay proactive in caring for your vehicle, and it will reward you with reliable performance on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.